Are you thinking about window film? Well, you're in the right place. At ClimatePro, we have helped thousands of businesses and homeowners improve their windows. We've helped them do things to reduce glare, reduce heat, and really just protect what matters most to them. So here's what's going to happen when you click the submit button here on this form. One of our friendly estimators will contact you in 1 to 2 business days. From there, they'll start talking with you about your project, learn about your needs, and start making some recommendations about window film solutions that might work for you. From there, we really like to make a no pressure consultation at your home or business. This allows us to inspect your windows, measure them, and look at the full project to make sure we're making good recommendations for your needs. Really, our goal is simple, to help you make a good educated decision and to choose the right window film for your needs. Even if that means that ClimatePro isn't the right fit for you. That's really how we've built our reputation for over 45 years. So go ahead, take our phone number and email, and please put it into your contacts. That way our communication won't get marked as spam, making it difficult for us to reach you. Again, we've helped thousands of homeowners and businesses really improve their windows, and we're excited to do the same for you. So go ahead, fill out the form, and click that submit button, and let's get started today.